Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Joe Sent Me. My name is Joe and I am your host for today. Today I'm going to talk about a house that I haven't talked about in quite some time. In fact, I'm sitting on one of the perfumes right here. And this is from Prosody London. And it's been so long since I've talked about Prosody London that I wanted to revisit this house once more because there's been some changes and some new stuff going on at the house of Prosody London. And I'm excited about a couple things. One, of course, when I first talked about these maybe 5 years ago, I remember falling in love with this one right here, Mosca Muscati, Rose Rondeau, and Oud Octavo. These were just absolute gems. Their whole thing is that they're all about natural perfumes, very high quality naturals, but at the same time, you know, they are extremely wearable, extremely likable, and they just make a statement. Well, they've come out with some new stuff. First of all, new sizes, but also new concentrations. This one is an Eau de Cologne for just $81. They have a US store now. So if you're in the U.S., they can ship to the U.S. They also are available at Indigo Perfumery. So yeah, let's have a look at this. This is one of their newest perfumes. This one specifically is called Acappella R, and the label says right here, Acappella R. Nice little 30 ml box, and yeah, it's an Eau de Cologne. So I expect this to be an easy, freshy, and again, all the important things of the naturals, the same thing, all natural perfume there. Really simple, also very clear liquid as well. This is just a first impression. I'm very curious to see what the notes are for this. And let's have a little spritz action. Heck, for $81, you cannot go wrong. I'm going to hold this up. Oh my. And let me tell you, don't let the fact that this is an Eau de Cologne fool you. This thing packs a heck of a punch. Oh my gosh. Wow, like it's totally making me pucker up. An endless stream of citrus melody, blending facets of mandarin, lemongrass, and petitgrain, wrapped in a euphoric cherry blossom with a rogue black pepper streak, a chorus of desire. Folks, don't let this Eau de Cologne fool you. It packs a punch. It is incredible. This is going to absolutely invigorate you. It's fantastic. This is Acappella R. Acappella R. That's fantastic. $81. Hello. Sign me up. I'll take two. One for me and one for my friend. Next one we're going to look at is another new one. This is probably their most expensive perfume from their collection at $190. Also has it has a different presentation from the others with the plastic cap. And also the bottle is going to look different as well. So let's open this one up. This is called Santal Foy. Remember what I mentioned earlier, that Prosody London, they always focus on the highest quality ingredients, also naturals. So it's very important to know that this is a very high quality natural based perfume. So they're organic, 90% organic, but 100% natural. And like I said, the presentation is very different. Mind you, this is also 100 ml, I think, or close to that. Oh no, this is a different ml. But look, this is 100 ml. See the different presentation there? Metal cap versus plastic. Got this like rose gold looking cap. It is heavy duty. It is a nice one. It says Prosody London right on it. Right there. Santal Foy. So when I think of Santal, of course you're thinking sandalwood. Sandalwood, sandalwood. Come on down. Let's see what this is all about. Chances are this has also got sandalwood in it. But I must say, I'm very grateful. This is a first impression. I've never smelled this before. I am absolutely impressed by the fact that this is not just another like Santal 33 or anybody else who's doing a sandalwood-based perfume. Must mention this, made from 19 finest natural and organic ingredients, including sandalwood, orange blossom, myrrh, rose, vetiver, and vanilla. The notes include coconut and carrot seed in the opening. What? So you have that gourmand facet going on with this. Rose, tonka bean, myrrh, and vetiver in the heart. And sandalwood, of course. Orange blossom and vanilla. So it's like a little sweet, a little gourmand, creamy. Let's just say creamy is the good word for this one. Creamy. Think of this as a creamy rose, myrrh, sandalwood, vanilla. The carrot seed is quite unique. Yeah, really, nothing else out there like this. Fantastic. Santal Foy and Acappella R. Of course, these are two polar opposites of the type of perfumes that they are. But man, are they fantastic. What a great experience. And I am so glad I get to revisit Prosody London. There's so much more I want to explore in the Eau de Cologne section. There's several new ones that I have not seen before. So yeah, I thank you so much for tuning in.